Failure is not the end, it's feedback. Every setback carries a lesson. Every mistake strengthens your character. The truth is, growth doesn't happen without failure. Each time you fall, you learn something new about yourself, about life, and about how to improve. Don't fear mistakes. Fear standing still. When you fail forward, you turn pain into wisdom and setbacks into comebacks. Remember, every champion was once a beginner who failed more times than others even tried.